Withdrawing money from Discord to your bank account involves a few straightforward steps. Follow this guide to ensure a smooth transaction process. Step 1. Access your Discord account. Log into your Discord account using your credentials. Make sure you're on the correct account where your earnings are stored. Step 2. Navigate to User Settings. Click on the gear icon located at the bottom left corner of the Discord interface. This will take you to your User Settings menu. Step 3. Go to Payment Settings. In the User Settings menu, find and select the Payments option. This section will allow you to manage your payment methods and view your earnings. Step 4. Link your bank account. If you haven't already, link your bank account by providing the necessary banking information. Ensure that all details are accurate to avoid any issues with the withdrawal process. Step 5. Initiate the withdrawal. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the escrow.com link in the description to open a refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Make sure to check your bank account after a few days to confirm that the funds have been deposited. If you encounter any issues, reach out to Discord support for assistance.